Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To find any transaction form at a later point in time, you can use the Find feature of QuickBooks to locate it. To find an invoice or any other type of transaction, open the associated form for which you want to search. Using the example of finding an invoice, you would open the Create Invoices window. Select Edit, Find Form Type from the menu bar to open the Find Form Type window. You could also just click the Find button that appears within the Main tab within the ribbon at the top of the form to open this same window as well. In the Find Form Type window, you will see different parameters for the type of form you selected that can be used as the search criteria. Type what you are looking for into one of the available search parameter fields, and then click the Find button. If there is only one matching form, such as would be the case if searching for an invoice by using the invoice number search parameter, then QuickBooks will immediately open the matching form. If there are multiple matching results, however, then QuickBooks will display those results in a result set window. You can double-click the item you are looking for within the result set to open it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.